We'll guide you through how to create Blender projects using the latest methods and UI elements of 2025-2026. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender and you'll be greeted with the splash screen. Here, you can click on New File to start a fresh project, or choose from templates if you want something more specific. Once your project is open, you'll see the 3D viewport in the center, which is where all the magic happens. On the left, you'll have the toolbar with various tools like Move, Rotate, and Scale. To add objects, press Shift+A, and a menu will pop up with options like Mesh, Curve, and more. You can select a cube, sphere, or any other object you need. After adding an object, you can change its properties by going to the Properties panel on the right. Here, you can adjust dimensions, materials, and other settings. The outliner on the top right helps you keep track of all the objects in your scene. You can rename them, group them, or hide them as needed. When you're ready to render your project, go to the Render menu at the top, choose Render Image or Render Animation based on what you're working on. Remember to set up your camera and lighting for the best results. Don't forget to save your work regularly by going to File, then Save As, and choose a location on your computer. If you're new to Blender, it might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but with practice, you'll get the hang of it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.